Hello everyone! So, as you can see, nagpe-prepare ako kasi that time we're gonna go to Abu Dhabi and we need to leave the house by 10 a.m. kasi yung flight namin it's gonna be going to Kazakhstan. So, it's a short trip with my brother since it's holiday. This time, dalawa lang kami magta-travel kasi it's a short notice and at the same time, kailangan ko mag-exit at the same time. So, it's just a sudden decision. Kaya dalawa lang kami for this time. Kasi usually, when we travel, it's a group with friends. So, this time, it's gonna be both of us and see the beautiful airport. Going on a short trip for this Eid holiday. See you in a while. Lingi sa mix. Pangkuan ni siya pang vlog. So our flight from Abu Dhabi was direct to Astana, Kazakhstan. So wala may flight pa Almaty kay puro siya fully booked and usually it's very expensive. So niagi kami Astana and wala min nag-expect and ana siya katugnaw. Grabe. Tugnaw kaayo. So this is the daytime and abot mi gabi karon buntag. So wala may flight going to Almaty. Kaya dito jud ang mga atuan kay daghan siya laaganan compare sa Astana, but still it's a beautiful city. We're going to Almaty. Say hi, Mix. For my vlog. Tayo in takeaway. For freebie pa silang headset. This is for the headset. We are in Almaty.
But we have you also, but historically
There's kings.
was here. I like I like the Manny Pacquiao.
Ah, yeah.
There's a holiday, Muslim holiday.
yes, yes.
It's called Eid.
Eid, yeah.
Eid
Al-Adha. Yeah, same in Dubai. That's why we don't have work holiday. That's why we
decided to
Decide to
come
go out.
short
So how
notice.
many days they give to the holiday?
4.
Grabe guys, kanabit lang wala kay saktong tulog kay from Astana then abot may gabi then pagkabuntag flight na mo from to Almaty. So after niabot mag Almaty diretso din may nag tour so yung anak kahago imong auntie. Pero bisag inana laban lang kay paabot nimo sa Kazakhstan, especially here in Almaty nami sa Shembulak. It's a very nice experience. I mean, nakasakay na mga inani cable car, but usually it's winter. But this time we came summer, and it's a different setting na ma-appreciate nimo ang nature. So it's a very nice experience.
Ano plano?
So, mabidyohan ng kuan mga
Dami ako.
ako ikuan niya siya na YouTube.
Dami.
Ami akong kape.
Mga aunat.
Dari na papa.
Mga aunat ta.
Saging, saging.
Daglong akong saging.
No, kamuti. Lami kayo. So after Shembulak, nagkaon mi o paniudto kauban namang tour guide na si Jazz. So we head out to check in our hotel. Okay, at the same time, katulgon kay mi gusto mi magpahulay. So sayo ra kay mi nahuman with Jazz. So after that, we need to take rest kay pagkagabi gusto mi mag night strolling. So mo niya mong hotel. So we're going outside.
Bili na ba isa, no?
Isa ka? You. We're just gonna do night strolling. Outfit check. We're gonna do night strolling.
Picture na diyan.
Ay, siguro ni pag snow. Where are we going? Ang tagi. Hmm?
Excuse me. We're ready to order.
So while waiting some food, ginaminom sa mig juice. Actually guys, when you're ordering food, medyo lisod siya. Okay, usually sila is Russian speaking or Kazakhstan ng ilang language. So if mag-order kag food, kailangan jud og translator. But what's best about it is that affordable ra ang ilang food, and also lamig kay lang pagkaon at the same time. Saan ka di ka? So after naman manihapon, maglakaw-lakaw sa ami, nakita mi supermarket kay medyo naglain ng tiyan si mong auntie. Amot lang nabaguhan siguro sa pagkaon, so not to make supermarket after this.
Okay. Bomba.
It's very cheap here. Okay. So, we're eating chocolate. Ice cream. Ta-da! We'll try ice cream here. Hi. I'm trying the ice cream. Pero lahi siya glasa, guys. Kaya murag icing. We're going back to the hotel. We buy some essentials. So while going back to the hotel, na-realize na mo na na-ademay ka ng sa pinakatap na ay hotel, no bar and lounge. So nagtambay sa mi. And wala kami nagpabilar, na-enjoy lang naman ang city lights. Kay next day na ami sa na ami tour na sayo kay may mga lakaw sa mga tumi o nature and adventure. So good night for now. Just enjoy the night light.